quick update after my road trip. I'm still editing videos, so I'm gonna be posting more videos from the road trip itself. As you probably know, I was experiencing lots of issues with the car in the second half of my road trip when all the electronics kind of stopped working in the car, and I was having like lots of issues and lots of alerts showing up in the car. I brought the car to service here in Portland, and they actually determined what was the problem. At least that's what they think was the problem. They have to replace hydraulic control unit. It was actually broken and it had to be removed and replaced. And that's what they said was causing the alerts and the malfunctioning of the car. So this is under warranty, so no penny from my pocket. And I'm glad that actually they found the issue and found the problem, so we know what was causing that particular issue. On my last leg of driving towards Portland, I hit a rock slide on the road, and unfortunately I was not able to avoid one of the rocks on the road, and it hit under the car. I look at this and it seemed a very kind of surface damage. You know, the plastic cover was damaged and broken by that rock underneath, so I thought it's going to be just a quick replacement. So I left the car at Tesla for service of the alert issues, but I also mentioned the rock damage. I just received an estimate from Tesla service describing the damage, sending me a bunch of pictures. The total damage and total cost estimate of fixing it is over $16,000. Apparently the battery pack was also damaged by this rock slide and rock that I hit on the road, and the entire battery pack needs to be replaced. So here's the estimate for $16,000 or $476. Quite a bit. Obviously, I will be using my insurance to cover this. I just opened the claim. Hopefully everything is gonna work fine. Well, I was told it's gonna take 5 days for the adjuster and the estimator from the insurance company to contact Tesla service to evaluate and review everything. I also was told by Tesla people that it's gonna take them probably up to 10 days to actually get the service new battery pack here. Actually, good point, that battery pack, apparently it's not a new battery pack. Even though my car, it's almost brand new, it has only 4,000 miles on it. But the battery pack that they're gonna put in a car, it's something that they called manufactured battery pack. So I am a little bit disappointed with this. On such a new car, getting really, like, I don't know if we call it refurbished. They don't call it refurbished, they call it manufactured. But basically it is not brand new battery pack, which is kind of disappointing. Especially, you know, this is my batteries are brand new. This is brand new car. I got the car in October, so you know it has barely 6 months, and you know, in the COVID times, and the car was mostly sitting here and standing in a garage and driveway. So you know, until I hit my 3,000 miles road trip, and the car total mileage is 4,000 miles. So